Namaste students, my name is Akanksha Tomar, PGT Biology, Kendriya Vidyalaya Punjab Lines, Meerut. Today we will discuss about human evolution, the part of the chapter 7, evolution. Human evolution. Humans belong to order primates of class Mammalia. Primates are characterized by large brains, 3D vision, reduced sense of smell, flexible shoulder joints, vertical positioning of trunk, hands and feet with 5 digits, grasping, opposable thumb, flat fingernails instead of claws, extended gestation and maturation, strong maternal offspring bond, high degree of socialization. Classification of primates. Primates are divided into two main suborders. First, prosimians, that is before monkeys. For example, lemurs, lorises and tarsiers. Second, anthropoids. For example, New World and Old World monkeys, apes, humans. Prosimians. Prosimians are mostly nocturnal, that is, they can see during night also. They have large eyes with sensitive nocturnal vision, complex tactile hairs, large independently movable ears, and a strong sense of smell. They have strong mobile digits. They have nails, not claws, on all toes except second. A different dental formula 2-1-3-3, that is 2 pair of incisor, 1 pair canine, 3 pair premolars and 3 pair molars in upper and lower jaws. Lemurs live only on the islands of Madagascar. Tarsiers live on the islands of the Philippines, Borneo, Celebes Islands and Sumatra. And lorises live in areas of Africa and South and Southeast Asia. Prosimians examples are loris, galago, tarsiers and lemur. New World monkeys. These monkeys live in the neotropical forests of the New World, that is in Central and South America. These are characterized by wide nostrils which are circular and spaced apart platyrrhines. They are small to medium sized. Long tails which are sometimes prehensile. Prehensile means that is tail is capable of grasping. No buttock pads. No cheek pouches. And dental formula is 2-1-3-3, 2-1-3-3. New World monkeys example, pygmy marmoset, spider monkey, howler monkey, squirrel monkey and capuchin. Old World monkeys. Old World monkeys live in Africa and Asia. These are characterized by narrow and downward pointing nostrils, catarrhines, longer hind legs than forearms, flattened nails on fingers and toes, prominent buttock pads that they can sit on, tails are not prehensile, dental formula 2-1-2-3, that is 2 pair incisor, 1 pair canine, 2 pair premolars and 3 pair molars. They are generally larger than the New World monkeys. Examples of Old World monkeys: mandrill, grey langur, baboon, macaque or rhesus monkey, patas monkey, dinaguenon. Apes. Apes are usually larger and heavier than monkeys. Apes have no tail. Apes have a more upright body posture than monkeys and are often able to walk on 2 legs. Apes have a broad chest. Apes rely on vision rather than smell and thus have shorter noses than some monkeys. Apes have a large brain to body size ratio compared with other animals. Apes are able to use tools and use language. Apes only live in Africa and Asia. Examples of apes are gibbon, gorilla, orangutan, bonobo, and chimpanzee. Human evolution. In this series, when about 15 million years ago the world's climate became cooler, great forests were replaced by grasslands, and the savannas of Central Africa became the cradle of human evolution where the first hominids originated. The hominids are characterized by larger brains and bipedal locomotion. Hominids have diminished face and teeth. Use of tools is a notable feature. This is primate evolution chart, prosimians, New World monkeys, Old World monkeys, gibbon, orangutan, gorilla, chimpanzee, and then Dryopithecus, proconsul to Australia. Dryopithecus. Dryopithecus was a genus of apes found from Eastern Africa to Eurasia. It lived during the Upper Miocene period from 12 to 9 million years ago. It was the common ancestor of the apes and man. It was a tree-dwelling animal that ate berries and fruits. It was quadruped. Hominids through time. As we can see in the picture, the development of Homo sapiens, Australopithecus africanus developed 3 to 2.3 million years ago, then Homo erectus 1.8 to 0.3 million years ago, Homo sapiens 0.7 million years ago to now. Major Homo advances are brain size, better bipedalism, hunting, fire used by Homo erectus, and tools. Homo habilis made older one, Homo erectus made Acheulean, Homo heidelbergensis made Mousterian, Homo sapiens made Solutrean tools. Homo heidelbergensis used to build shelters, and Homo neanderthalensis started using clothing specially made of skin of animals. Cro-Magnon started to use language. This is probable line of human evolution from Australopithecus afarensis to Homo sapiens. Australopithecines. The Australopithecines are only known from Africa and are believed to be the earliest known true hominids. They had ape-sized brains. Their cranial capacity ranged from 375 to 530 cc. They had strong jaws with large teeth. Like modern gorillas, the adult males were much larger than the females. Raymond Dart found the skull of an infant, called it Tuong baby, Australopithecus africanus. Mary Leakey found another fossil later called Australopithecus boisei, a large-toothed vegetarian ape. Donald Johanson found an almost complete fossil which is called Australopithecus afarensis and named as Lucy, which is considered in the line of Australopithecus afarensis. This hominid lived between 3.9 and 2.9 million years ago. Australopithecus afarensis was slenderly built. From analysis, it has been thought that Australopithecus afarensis was ancestral to both the genus Australopithecus and the genus Homo, which includes the modern human species Homo sapiens. Australopithecus afarensis. Laetoli footprints in the sands of time. Associates of Mary Leakey in 1978 found a series of human foot trials at the site Laetoli, 30 miles south of Olduvai, Gorge in Africa. The strata has been dated 3.6 million years ago. These findings indicate that bipedalism had evolved by 3.6 million years ago and it preceded larger brains. Homo habilis. It was found from Pleistocene rocks by Louis S. B. Leakey, a cultural tool maker capable of bipedal locomotion and hands capable of power grip. Range of cranial capacity 680 to 775 cc. Made stone tools called as Olduvai. Homo erectus, Pithecanthropines. Fossils of Homo erectus have been found from Java, China, Europe and Africa. Java man, Pithecanthropus. First to use fire for cooking and warmth. Omnivore and cannibal. Cranial capacity 800 to 1000 cc. Discovered by Dr. Eugene Dubois. Peking man, Sinanthropus pekinensis. Discovered by Davidson Black and W.C. Pye. Cranial capacity was 850 to 1300 cc. Knew the use of fire, omnivore and cannibal. Homo erectus series also contain Heidelberg man. Intermediate between Homo erectus and Neanderthal man. Large mandible, small teeth and rounded jaw. Evidences of tools, fire and some forms of communication. Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens neanderthalensis. Fossils discovered from Neander Valley near Düsseldorf in Germany fashioned animal skin for clothing, started with burial customs. Prognathous head with heavy brow ridges, no chin, cannibals, cranial capacity 1300 to 1600 cc. On the basis of DNA findings, these have been excluded from ancestry of modern man. Then Cro-Magnon man, that is Homo sapiens fossilis, direct ancestor of modern man, found from late Pleistocene to early Holocene rocks, forehead and cranium very high, presence of chin, cranial capacity 1600 to 50 cc, articulated language, used bows and arrows, domesticated dog, drew paintings on cave. Homo sapiens sapiens, that is modern man. Comparison of cranial capacities. Australopithecus africanus have 440 cc cranial capacity, Homo erectus 1000 cc and Homo sapiens have 1300 plus cc. Appeared in 25,000 years ago. Formation of 4 flexors in the vertebral column and reduction in cranial capacity 1450 ml due to development of ridges and furrows. Evidences for common ancestry of apes and mans. Although apes have 48 chromosomes and man has 46 chromosomes, the banding pattern of chromosome number 3 and 6 is same. The human and ape blood proteins show 98.5% similarity. There is 99% homology in the hemoglobin of man and chimpanzee. Human and chimpanzees DNA differ in less than 3% of their nucleotide sequence. A and B blood groups are found in apes but not in monkeys. So this was all about human evolution. So students, study, enjoy the study at home, stay at home, be safe, thank you, and have a nice day.